Behold, the new laser cutter. This laser cutter was built with the cheapest materials available. We have a very cheap liquid cooling setup with a radiator and a pump, peristaltic pump. We have a 65 watt laser tube with a 100 watt power supply, which is being driven at a lower output power, but that is its maximum. Old computer power supply. We have a 3D printer board, the SKR 1.3. Very nice board. I did manage to short out one of its control pins on 120 volts AC, but I managed to replace the transistor. All is working fine. The XY carriage gantry is basically from a laser engraver, very cheap, the cheapest one on Amazon. The laser module died after about 2 minutes, but that was fine since I was going to retrofit it with the CO2 laser optics, and it was constructed for about $1,000, maybe a little less. And basically the glue that holds the whole thing together, all these random parts, is the 3D printed parts, which I 3D printed. Without further ado, I have a test piece that I have prepared. So we'll home the device, and the laser power supply is on, and I have my handy dandy laser safety goggles. So let's give it a run. It's also raining outside. Amazing, if not a little terrifying. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you have any ideas, whatnot. Ryan out.